Today we will talk about the installation of the rearview mirror cover. First, after receiving the goods, This is the whole assembled one. Then the first step is to assemble this. The front warning sign and the outer connecting block. For the connecting block, you can see 2 bags of screws inside. Then the connecting block, we will basically use most of them. The screws in large quantities. 4x8 screws. Then, first connect the connecting plate to this. When assembling the connecting plate and the assembly, you must pay attention to a detail. That is, the higher section. The wider section should be against the logo, and the short section should face the 1966 nameplate. After installation, it will look like this. You can take a look. After installation, we will use this. The inner connecting block and the connecting piece. Remember to use the flatter side of the arc. Then use this connecting block. And now we will use the longer screws in the other bag. 4x10 M4 flathead screws. Then we connect them. After installation, you can compare it first. Remember that this protruding corner is on the lower side. Then, after we pull off the auxiliary rubber sheet, because the wire is loose, so we first put this thing. Now install the rear view mirror cover. After installing it, we will connect the previously connected part. We first connect this. The inner connecting block. And we still use this one, 4x8 screws with a large number and short length. After connecting, it will look like this. Then we will push the rear view mirror cover over. After pushing it over, you can see the whole look. Then, we will attach the outer banding plate and the logo plate on it. Align with the screw holes. We still use the 4x8 screws and use the screws with more quantity. When installing this, please pay attention to a detail. That is, we should install the outer screws first. Installing the outer screws makes it easier to tighten later. Just put the upper and lower screws on first. Just put them on first. Don't tighten them. After wearing them, we use a little more force to align the screw hole and the connecting plate. Use a little force and align the 2 holes. Then directly screw in the screw. Use a little force so that it will naturally. There will be a force to hold the rearview mirror. Power. Just put it on like this. Don't tighten it. Just use the shorter screw directly. Then when screwing it down, and then apply a little force. After wearing it, it's done. After wearing it, tighten them uniformly. The screws on both sides and this screw. Now let me tighten them for you. It's better to install, and it will be tighter. Hold it. Then we come over again and bring it to this screw. It's also very smooth. After wearing it, it's done. Finally, after the entire rear-view mirror. After installation, we can adjust these to gaps. For these two gaps, leave about 1 to 2 millimeters. Then, don't clamp the cover too tightly. If it is clamped, it will put pressure on the rearview mirror. Just leave a little, and this reasonable gap is enough. Then our entire rearview mirror cover is installed. And finally, when the installation is completed, you must follow our installation sequence. If you don't install it in this order, it may scratch our rearview mirror. Some customers will say that the rearview mirror is scratched because of the cover, or the reason for the rearview mirror cover. In fact, it is the problem of their installation sequence. As long as you follow our instructions in the order we said, there will be no wear and tear. You can see the reasonable gap and adjustment. The sponge pad at the back is also tightly attached, so there won't be this problem.